Welcome to Easy Tips, your trusted channel for simple and natural health solutions. Today, from my herbal wellness office, I will show you a step-by-step guide to prepare a powerful natural drink for cleansing the liver. Let's begin. For this natural liver cleansing drink, you will need 1 fresh beetroot, 1 piece of ginger, and 1 carrot. You'll also need natural raw honey and 500 milliliters of clean drinking water. First, peel the beetroot carefully to remove the outer skin. Next, peel the ginger to remove the rough surface. Then peel the carrot until the skin is completely removed. Make sure all ingredients are clean and properly prepared. Now cut the beetroot into small pieces, then cut the ginger into smaller thin slices. Then chop the carrot into small chunks. Cutting them into small pieces helps them blend smoothly. Place all the chopped beetroot, ginger and carrot into the blender. Add 500 milliliters of clean drinking water into the blender. Blend everything together until the mixture becomes smooth and well combined. Now add 7 tablespoons of natural raw honey to the mixture. Blend again briefly to mix the honey evenly. Finally, pour the fresh liver cleansing drink into a glass. Your healthy natural drink is now ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching Easy Tips. If you found this helpful, like the video and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more simple natural health guides. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.